Right, guys, so Bitcoin, the Bitcoin price, where is Bitcoin going next? Because today is Monday and we already broke $72,000 as I was waking up. And I mean, I wake up to Bitcoin $72,000, obviously, because here in the US the markets are open already and the institutions keep on buying. But the main question here is for everybody to understand why, to begin with, is Bitcoin pumping the way that it's doing, and how high is it going to go? The reality of the story is this: there are three catalysts of why Bitcoin is pumping, and if you want to really understand what move you should make at this point, you need to know the why behind it. So we have three main catalysts that are pumping the Bitcoin price, and these will determine how much it will go. And I'll give you guys my Bitcoin prediction for 2024. One is the Bitcoin ETF was approved and we got institutions loading up Bitcoin. Now, maybe they would have time to load up a lot of Bitcoin, but the problem now is that Bitcoin supply is halving in 30 days from now. In April, we're having the Bitcoin halving event. This reduces the Bitcoin's emission rate. So imagine the supply shock that will be caused because, you know, every 10 minutes, 6.25 Bitcoins are created. And now that will reduce by 50%. It happens every 10,000 blocks or roughly every 4 years. So this is putting so much pressure on the investors, especially institutions. They're like, oh, we better get Bitcoin now before it's too late. So they keep on buying and buying. And Michael Saylor is pumping up MicroStrategy, buying more Bitcoin. And the third main reason why Bitcoin is pumping is monetary policy. For the last 2 years, the Fed in the US have been increasing rates, making everything expensive, even banks collapsing completely because cost to capital is too high. And this year we're expecting the Fed to start cutting rates. And when that happens, money becomes cheaper and risk on assets pump in price. So you're looking at stocks, the equity market basically is going to increase. Bitcoin also being a risk on assets is going to benefit a lot from that. So what is the prediction for Bitcoin this year? I think $150,000 minimum per Bitcoin is more likely to happen. I've seen a lot of investors in the US dumping their real estate simply just so that they can get into more Bitcoin. So I don't think this is gonna stop. And if you're outside of the market right now, man, you have to do something, because if Bitcoin is gonna go to 150,000, what about Ethereum? What about Solana and all the other altcoins that are out there? So that's the reason why Bitcoin is pumping, and it's not gonna stop. If you're out of the market, I'm sorry. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. All the platforms I use for trading, links in the description below. Use them, take advantage. Low fees, welcome bonuses, and all that. Cheers, guys. Happy bull run. Take care. From Miami to the moon. I think that's it.